Seagraft is an innovative method of planting and restoring the seabed. Seagrass plays a crucial role, not just only produce oxygen for the planet, but also in protecting the coast from erosion. It's also one of the key habitats for creatures in the sea.
While we're doing research, we found out that the biggest seagrass bed restoring plan in England, which after 3 years, they only grow 3.5 hectares of seagrass bed. So we're trying to make a change. We're trying to design something that can help us to grow seagrass in a more efficient way.
Inspired by the experience of throwing rocks into the sea, we actually developed a special structure that creates an environment for the seagrass to grow.
It's a structure that you can put seagrass seed or rhizome inside, and it will spin down in the water and attach itself under the sea and create a proper environment to let the seagrass seeds or rhizomes to grow. We're trying to recycle seafood waste to make our product so that it can dissolve in the water after 4 to 8 weeks, and also it can become the nutrition to the seagrass.
We're all students from Royal College of Art.
Hongyu, me, and Zexi, we are from design products, and Mengna and Xiaozhuo, they're from service design. So I think it's interesting collaboration. They really helped us to make our project really complete and solid.
The business and the market is also a crucial part of the Terra Carta design lab to make the whole project not just design concept, but a real chance to make real impact for the environment.